way.
Alright, good job. But you know what, folks? There's an animal similar to a sea lion. They're known as the true seal. Now, seals are great in the water, but on land, they move a little bit funny.
Well, hey, do you want to see their imitation of a seal? Well, show them, ladies.
Oh, that's a seal, alright. Now, let's show them how a seal walks.
Yeah. Ang galing.
And see what I mean? A little bit funny on land. Oh, how many big round of applause for the great presentation.
Papalakpas.
Now, to work in the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit.
That's not a problem. Drum roll, please.
Well, what can you say about that, Brandy, huh? Oh, not bad.
Not bad. Why can Brandy do better?
Yes, of course. Okay, Brandy, show them your real strength. Another drum roll, please.
Oh, wow. That's what I call strength. Good job, Randy. Now, one of the most dangerous parts of this job is the handling of explosives. Some fishermen use dynamite to blow up the reef. They destroy the entire reef just to catch a few fish. So the Marine Patrol must work hard to stop destructive fishing practice. Now, let's see how Simba and Randy handle some delicate materials, which could be a real-life bomb or a stick of dynamite.
Naglalaro ng bola.
Well, Gerson, this is a dangerous part, so we need to warm up.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Ayun.
You ready?
Ayaw nga una. Ayan yung nagsasalita.
Alright, I think we're really warmed up, so let's start with Randy.